Welcome. Welcome to another video. Beers, boys, bosh. Alright, your ham and cheese sandwiches. Today we're looking at a bloody head unit that everyone's been crazy about, and I thought I'd give you a little bit of a wrap of exactly what it is and where to get it and what to do with it. So without further ado, we're gonna get into the Polaris. Cut. So this is the Polaris Universal Max. Number one thing people are saying is, "Why, Shinji, the screen's like the size of the Titanic." Yeah, it pretty much is. It's 10 inches of pure fun and glory. This is essentially a tablet. You have the ability to do all the widgets and all the crazy things you'd want to do on your tablet, but it's also got the head unit things of a radio. And we've got the time, the date, it tells you bloody everything. Like I said, it is like a tablet, so it requires Wi-Fi, it requires all the rest of it. But if you've got one of these suckers, a mobile phone, hook up to it and already, like I said, it's a tablet. You can adjust the widgets and everything. You've got navigation, radio, BT Music, Spotify, and Aussie Explore. Aussie Explore comes with the Polaris head unit, which is what made me want to go for it, because if I click on this little button here, and straight off the bat, you can see exactly where we are, which, what just... You can see that we're on the maps. So this is not my location, so you can't hunt me down and kill me, but it is some part of Australia, Victoria. There's all sorts of different maps that it comes with. You can do more maps, zoom in, you can zoom out. It's got all the boots and cats that you need to do. The maps scale, you know, so it can tell you the depth. See that, how we've zoomed in even more, which is really ideal for when you're in the bush and you want to find those intricate maps. And you can change the maps. So you can change to the mud maps and you can change to the Melways. Do you understand? Like I said, we've gone through the maps. It's got Spotify. The thing I really like about this Spotify is it's like its own independent Spotify. So it's not relying on what your phone's got, like Apple CarPlay. Own memory. You've got a song here. It's already downloaded onto the pad. So I don't have to hook up any Wi-Fi or anything. When I'm out in the bush, it's ready to go. Radio's playing. Oh, I want to turn the radio off. We click a little icon up here, same as a tablet. Bang, 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 bang. Closed everything. There's multiple screens to this thing. I've already gone ahead and downloaded some Instagram, some SoundCloud. You can get bloody Facebook on it if you want. So it's got the cam thing here as well, so you can hook up your reverse cameras and everything, and it will switch through this DVD player, because in this little bottom part, you can actually put a DVD into there. Down to the bottom here, you'll notice you can see the volume control, the tune seeker, all that. And you got a little USB port here. It also comes with, you know, I've ran this into here, which is another USB port. This is a double DIN unit, so it looks like you've only got the controls here. While we've gone to the, you know, the UHF up here now, because that's what it fits. So very responsive. When you swipe around, you can operate the volume from the screen here. We can operate it from down here. If we wanted to change anything on it, we can, and it's simple. Changing wallpapers, you can change all the lights for these. Right, so you can see that's got blue LED backing on it. Same as here, you can change that color to whatever you want, and the screen dims. Now, screen dimming doesn't seem like such a big yahoo, but by Shinji at night time with a screen dimming, it's awesome. It's really great. Installing it, there's going to be specific plugs that you're going to need for your patrol to get this hooked up. So now this is a tablet, like I've mentioned a gazillion times, and you can remove it. You can take it off if you need to get there. So simple as going like this, pulling it out, and disconnecting that cord, and you can remove it. Now, this won't work exactly as you want it to without being hooked up to your car power, so keep that in mind. Now, I got this from Petrol Apart in Victoria, or Petrol Apart Navarro Apart in Victoria. So if you're looking at getting the same thing, you can go through them, tell them your Beers Boys Bush / NeatGU sent you, and they'll be ecstatic about it. I think it's a fantastic pitter kit. I can use it flat out. As soon as you have Wi-Fi to it, you can do anything. Like I said, Facebook, YouTube. You can watch DVDs on the bastard. And then of course, when you plug into your reverse camera and stuff, you can also have your reverse camera pop up here. It's full swivel mount, so I can move the whole thing around if the partner wants to look at the maps, or if I want to look at the maps, you know what I mean? It's ready to do so. It gives you the status of your battery, and it also gives you status of your phone battery. So you can see here it's saying this is 12 volts, which if I look at my actual battery gauge, I've got 12.3 volts, so it's pretty much on the banger. Well, there you have it, everyone. So the Polaris Max Universal Head Unit, 10-inch screen, full of joy, full of wonder. You can do everything to it. Biggest thing is you got the maps on there, and it will follow you and track you as you go. So that's pretty awesome. Like I said, you can grab it from Petrol Apart Navarro Apart Victoria. You can get it online. I recommend Petrol Apart. If you go there, tell them NeatGU sent ya. Don't know if it will help ya, but you can try. And basically, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. It's a bit of short but sweet sort of one. People have been asking about it, so I thought I'd just quickly slap it up. Warranty for 3 years too. Oh, you bloody legends, you legends, you. We're wrapping this up now. Look, it was short but sweet, but I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, you know how to get it, you know what to do. Final little plug is the boys at Ridgeline. I mean, if you want a cool looking hat, cool little hoodie, bloody all the rest of it, tags, everything, go to Ridgeline 4x4 and grab yourself an absolute stealer up. Click that like button, or subscribe button, do whatever you want to do, and yeah, it'll be grass.